Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we see about adjacency matrix, and in this today's lecture, we discuss about incidence matrix. Now, what is incidence matrix? Let capital G be the graph in structural form with n vertices v1, v2 up to vn, and e1, e2 up to em are the edges of that vertices. That means v1, v2 up to vn are the vertices of that graph G, and e1, e2 up to em are the edges of the graph G. That means the graph G contains n vertices and m edges. Okay, so this matrix is denoted by I of G. Adjacency matrix, it is denoted by A of G, and incident matrix is denoted by I of G. Here, Aij is equal to 0 means what? If Vi is not incident with Vj, Ej, the vertex Vi is not incident on Ej, then we write 0. If Vj is incident on Ej, then we write 1. If Ej is a loop at Vi, okay, that is self loop. Ej is the self loop at the vertex Vi, then we write 2. Okay. Now consider one example. This is the graph which contains the vertices v1, v2 and v3, and there are 5 edges of this graph: e1, e2, e3, e4 and e. So there are 5 edges in this graph and there are 3 vertices. Okay, we have to represent this matrix in the form, represent this graph in the form of matrix. Okay, so here this matrix is I of G. Okay, here we write vertices v1, v2, v3, and here the edges e1, e2, e3, e4 and e5. Okay, now we consider here edge e1. Now edge e1 is incident on vertices v1 and v2. Now consider the edge e1. The edge e1 is incident on vertices v1 and v2. So we write in place of v1 is 1 and v2 is 1, since the edge e1 is incident on vertices v1 and v2. Okay. Now the edge e2, consider an edge e2. The edge e2 is incident on vertices v1 and v2. Then we write here also in v1 edge e2 is incident on v1 and v2. So we write here 1 and 1. There is no edge between. Edge e2 is not incident on vertex v3. Therefore here we write 0. Here also we write 0, since edge e1 is also not incident on vertex v3. Now consider the edge e3. The edge e3 is a self loop. Its starting vertex and end vertex is the same, which is v2. So we can write here 2. Edge e2. So here we can write 2, since there is a edge self loop at the vertex v2. There is no the edge e3 is not incident on vertex v1 and it is not incident on vertex v3. Therefore we write here 0. Remember. Now consider the edge e4. Here the edge e4 is incident on vertices v2 and v3. Edge e4 is incident on v2 and v3. So here we write 1 and 1 in this place, and the edge e4 is not incident on vertex v1. Therefore here we write 0. Also the edge e5 is incident on only v1 and v3. The edge e5 is incident on vertices v1 and v3. So we write here 1, and the edge e5 which is not incident on vertex v2. Therefore we write here 0. Okay. Understand? Now draw the graph represented by incident matrix. Okay. Again same like adjacency matrix. We have given the incidence matrix and we have to draw the graph using that matrix. Okay, this is the matrix, incident matrix. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 edges in the graph. Okay, remember in incidence matrix, here we write the number of edges and vertically we write the number of vertices. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 vertices in the graph and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 edges in this graph. Okay, so like E1, E2, E3, E4, E5 and E6 number of edges, and V1, V2, V3, V4 number of vertices. Okay, so we draw the graph like this. Now look at the graph. The vertices V1, V2, V2. Here the vertex is V3, V4. Okay, there are 4 vertices. Now consider the edge E1. The edge E1 is incident on vertices V1 and V2. Okay, where here V3 and V4 is 0. That means what? This one represents the edge E1 incident on the vertex V1 and V2 only. So there is an edge between V1 and V2. There is an edge between V1 and V2, namely E1. Okay, there is no edge between the vertices V1 and V3 and V1 and V4. This 0 represents. Now consider the edge E2. The edge E2 is incident on vertices V2 and V3. Edge E2 is incident on vertices V2 and V3. So there is a edge between V2 and V3. Okay. Now the edge E3. E3 is incident on only V2 and V4. V2 and V4. This is V2 and V4. The edge E3 is incident on that vertices. Now consider the edge E4. The edge E4 is incident on only V1 and V4. V1 and V4. Edge E4. Now the edge E5 is incident on only V3 and V4. E5 is incident on V3 and E4. And edge E6 is at vertex V4. This 2 represents there is a self loop at the vertex V4. So this is self loop at the vertex V4 and this edge is as E6. So we draw here the graph using this matrix. So these are very simple and easy concept how to draw matrix representation and how to draw the graph using the matrix. All of you clear idea? I hope you will understand these simple concepts. Thank you.